When it comes to safe driving, understanding the relationship between your brakes and tyres is crucial. Tyres provide the necessary grip and traction to keep your vehicle on the road, while brakes help you slow down and bring your vehicle to a stop. But how do these two systems interact to maximise stopping power? Well, let's find out. Simply put, brakes provide the stopping force, while tyres provide the traction needed to translate that force into the deacceleration of the vehicle. But the brakes alone can't stop the car without the help of the tyres. The tyres are the only part of the car that make contact with the road surface, and they play a crucial role in providing the necessary friction to slow the car down. Factors that impact the tyre's ability to decrease speed under braking are the tyre's tread pattern, compound, pressures, and the condition of the tyre, which all play a part in the overall traction and braking capabilities of a car. The tread pattern of a tyre can affect the braking performance by influencing the tyre's ability to grip on the road surface. Tyre construction can also impact braking performance. A stiffer tyre construction generally results in better braking performance. However, this can also sometimes result in a harsher ride quality. Another important factor is tyre maintenance. Now, things like checking tyre pressures and monitoring tyre wear are important elements to consider. An underinflated tyre or an overinflated tyre can reduce braking performance by increasing rolling resistance. This can result in longer stopping distances and also reduced grip. Tyre wear can also significantly affect braking performance. As tyres wear, their tread depth decreases, which can reduce their ability to generate traction. This can result in reduced braking performance. Now, when it comes to your brakes, they work by converting kinetic energy of the vehicle into thermal energy, which is dissipated into the surrounding environment. When the brake pedal is pressed, it creates hydraulic pressure in the brake lines, which forces the brake calipers to squeeze the brake pads against the rotors or the drums. Now, this friction between the brake pads and the rotors or the drums generates heat, which slows down or stops the vehicle. There are a number of factors at play when it comes to how your brakes perform. Things like the brake system design, brake pad material, and the overall condition of the braking components are all things that affect your vehicle's braking performance. And just like tyres, there are different types of brakes for different types of vehicles and driving styles. For instance, the type of brake pad used has a huge impact on how your vehicle performs braking-wise. Ceramic brake pads generally offer quieter, low-dust braking for everyday driving, whilst metallic brake pads are reserved for harder, more performance-oriented driving. Additionally, different types of brake rotors offer different levels of braking performance. Solid brake rotors are perfect for day-to-day use, but when you start stepping up into the more performance driving scene, slotted or drilled rotors are common for improved heat dissipation and reduced brake fade. Brake design also has a significant influence on braking performance. Large brake calipers and rotors provide more surface area for the brakes to grip onto, resulting in increased stopping power. And of course, brake condition is a huge factor in braking performance, as things like pads, rotors, fluid, and calipers wear and age. Braking performance can decline, so it's important to keep on top of your brake maintenance. At the end of the day, choosing the right kind of brakes and tyres you can afford for your driving style is important in maximising your safety and your driving experience, no matter what you use your vehicle for. Bendix's range of braking products covers all sorts of driving styles, whether it be general CT or Euro Plus for comfort and everyday use, four-wheel drive SUV and ultimate four-wheel drive for towing and off-roading, or ultimate plus and street road track for performance driving. Bendix offers something for everyone. So for more information on Bendix products, visit www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.